In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams. This quick guide will help you efficiently organize your communication and collaboration efforts within your team or organization. Let's get started and make sure your group chats are set up smoothly. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. If you're not already there, head over to the Microsoft Teams page using your web browser or desktop app. Once on the page, look for the Sign In button, which should be prominent and easy to find. Click on it to begin the login process. If you work within a specific tenant or organization, make sure you sign in to the correct account to ensure the best experience and access to all your contacts and teams. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the Microsoft Teams interface. Look for the icon that indicates a new chat. This is usually represented by a pencil, a chat bubble, or a plus sign, typically located on the left sidebar with your communication tools. Clicking this will open a new chat window, allowing you to start a fresh conversation. In the new chat window, you'll see a field where you can enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to include. Begin typing the names or emails of your colleagues or team members. You might notice suggestions appearing based on your previous contacts or your organization's directory, which makes this step a bit easier. Select the correct names from the suggestions or type them manually. Make sure everyone you want in the group is included before moving on. Now that you've added the members, it's time to give your group chat a name. This step is important for keeping things organized and ensuring everyone knows the purpose of the chat. Near the field where you added participants, there will be another field labeled for the group name. Click on it and carefully type a descriptive or brief name depending on the focus or context of your collaboration. A clear name helps your team quickly identify the chat, especially when you're managing multiple projects or teams. And there you have it. Your group chat is now created and aptly named. You can immediately start communicating, sharing files, or setting up meetings within this new group. Consistently naming your chats will help you and your team stay organized and make collaboration much smoother. Thanks for joining me today to learn about creating and naming group chats in Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide helps improve your team's communication. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time, and happy teaming.